Hi, I'm William Fish. I am a teacher here at CVS Academics 811. Thank you for tuning in. Normally, this time of year, we have an open house that is in-house. Most of you have been to those. It's a great time to come into the classroom, see the materials, see the surroundings. We usually sit down and break bread. A little different this year. You are looking at me and the rest of the staff right on our webpage. Just want to let you know basically what we're going to be doing this year. As always, our focus is on each student's IEP. We go by New York standards. We're trying to bring everybody up to grade level and meet the goals that we have set for them. We also focus heavily on the behavior. We want everybody to be socially and emotionally at baseline, to feel good about themselves. So being our goal to get back into district, they need to be there. So it's kind of a wraparound between behavior and academics, which we do flawlessly, both add to each other in the classroom. This year we're really focused on PACS. It's a PBIS style of behavior in which we focus on peace, productivity, health, and happiness. You'll probably hear the kids talking about that. I'm always looking for PACS leaders. Those are children that are doing their best to bring both the peace, productivity, health, and happiness to the classroom, to their lives, and hopefully back home. So anyway, I'm really excited. I've got a great group of kids this year. We have a lot of great ideas. Things are a little different, but they're going to be a lot better. Every day we see improvement, and as we get through this routine, we are going to make sure that your child gets the best education, the best care, and as always, our goal is to get them back to district. So if you have any questions or comments or would just like to reach out anytime, feel free to give me a call in the classroom. You'll have the numbers and my extension 434. You can also email me. And boy, I would really like to see you sometime soon. And when we can, we'll all get together. But in the meantime, you can get me easily through the email and anything like that. So just thank you for trusting me with your child. I'm so happy with each and every one of them. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'm in the class anytime during the day. So take care, have a wonderful school year. Let's keep the communication going, and I look forward to hearing from you.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Sorgule, and I'm a school counselor in the elementary academic program. I provide individual and group counseling services to my students, as well as in-class support throughout the school day. In-class support includes direct interaction with and observation of students within the academic setting, as well as working closely with a team of adults in the classroom. Group counseling focuses on strengthening social-emotional skills, which is further addressed in individual sessions, along with individualized goals for the student. Please feel free to contact me via email, phone, or Microsoft Teams if you have any questions or concerns. Best wishes to you and your family for a safe and successful year.